Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. It is a powerful tool that can learn and solve problems. AI is already being used in many different ways. We are seeing its impact in our daily lives. AI is poised to revolutionize numerous industries. It will reshape the way we live and work. This new era of intelligence presents both exciting opportunities and significant challenges. Understanding the potential of AI is crucial for navigating the future. AI is transforming industries across the board. From manufacturing to healthcare, finance to transportation, the impact of artificial intelligence is profound and far-reaching. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases and develop new treatments. Advanced algorithms can sift through vast amounts of medical data to identify patterns and predict outcomes, making healthcare more efficient and personalized. AI algorithms can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to detect anomalies with greater accuracy than human doctors. This technology assists radiologists by highlighting areas of concern, ensuring that no detail is overlooked. This can lead to earlier diagnoses and better treatment outcomes. Patients benefit from timely interventions, which can significantly improve their chances of recovery and overall health. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraud and make investment decisions. By analyzing market trends and financial data, AI systems can provide insights that help investors make informed choices and protect against fraudulent activities. AI-powered chatbots are being used in customer service to answer questions and resolve issues. These chatbots can handle a wide range of inquiries, providing quick and accurate responses, and freeing up human agents to tackle more complex problems. In transportation, self-driving cars are already being tested on our roads. These autonomous vehicles use AI to navigate, avoid obstacles, and ensure passenger safety, promising a future where transportation is more efficient and accessible for everyone. AI offers numerous benefits. From automating mundane tasks to enhancing complex processes, AI is revolutionizing the way we work and live. It seamlessly integrates into various environments, making operations smoother and more efficient. AI can automate tasks, which increases efficiency and productivity. In manufacturing, robotic arms can work tirelessly, ensuring precision and speed. In retail, automated checkout machines reduce wait times and improve customer satisfaction. AI-driven software can manage repetitive tasks, freeing up human resources for more valuable work. This allows human workers to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. Teams can brainstorm innovative ideas, designers can create without constraints, and strategists can plan with a clear mind, knowing that AI is handling the routine tasks. AI can also improve accuracy and reduce errors in various fields. In manufacturing, AI ensures that products meet quality standards. In healthcare, AI tools assist doctors in diagnosing patients more accurately. Financial analysts use AI to verify data, reducing the risk of human error. Moreover, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and insights. Data scientists rely on AI to process and interpret large data sets, uncovering trends that would be impossible to detect manually. Business analysts use these insights to make informed decisions, driving growth and innovation. This can lead to the development of new products and services, as well as more informed decision-making in various sectors. Engineers leverage AI to create cutting-edge technology, while marketing teams use AI to predict consumer trends and tailor their strategies accordingly. Boardroom discussions are increasingly centered around AI-driven insights, shaping the future of businesses. The potential of AI to improve our lives is immense. From enhancing our daily routines at home to revolutionizing healthcare and building smarter cities, AI is paving the way for a brighter, more efficient future. The journey of AI is just beginning, and its impact will only continue to grow. However, the rise of AI also raises concerns about job displacement. As AI becomes more sophisticated, it has the potential to automate tasks currently performed by human workers. This could lead to job losses in certain industries. Jobs that are repetitive or rule-based are particularly vulnerable to automation. For example, AI-powered robots are already being used in manufacturing and logistics to perform tasks that were previously done by human workers. Section 5: Humans versus Machines, a false dichotomy? The debate about AI replacing humans is often framed as a competition. However, this is a simplistic view. AI is not about replacing humans but augmenting human capabilities. AI can handle tedious and repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. This collaboration between humans and AI has the potential to create new opportunities and enhance overall productivity. Section 6. Navigating the ethical landscape of AI. The development and deployment of artificial intelligence raise important ethical considerations. One concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. Another concern is the issue of accountability. If an AI system makes a mistake, who is responsible? These ethical challenges need to be addressed through regulations, guidelines, and ongoing dialogue. Section 7. Real-world AI, triumphs and challenges. In this section, we will explore the significant achievements and the hurdles faced by AI technology in various sectors. We are already seeing examples of AI's impact in various domains. From healthcare to finance and even transportation, AI is transforming the way we live and work. Self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize transportation, making it safer and more efficient. These vehicles can navigate busy city streets and highways with ease, reducing the risk of human error. However, there have also been accidents involving self-driving cars, raising concerns about safety and liability. These incidents highlight the need for rigorous testing and robust safety measures. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop personalized treatments for diseases like cancer. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can help doctors create tailored treatment plans for individual patients. However, there are concerns about data privacy and the potential for AI to exacerbate existing healthcare disparities. Ensuring that patient data is secure and that AI benefits all segments of the population is crucial. In the financial sector, AI is being used for automated trading and fraud detection. These systems can analyze market trends and detect suspicious activities much faster than humans. Despite these advancements, ethical concerns remain. The decision-making process of AI systems needs to be transparent and fair to avoid biases and ensure trust. Section 8. Embracing the future, collaboration and coexistence. The future of AI is not about humans versus machines, but humans and machines working together. By embracing collaboration and leveraging the strengths of both humans and AI, we can create a future where AI enhances our lives in meaningful ways. This requires investing in education and training programs to prepare the workforce for the jobs of the future. It also requires fostering a culture of lifelong learning and adaptability. Section 9. A call for responsible AI development. As we continue to develop and deploy AI, we must do so responsibly and ethically. This means ensuring that AI is developed and used in a way that benefits all of humanity. It also means engaging in open and inclusive dialogue about the potential benefits and risks of AI. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to create a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous future for all.